What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a different type of video that I haven't really done before but am willing to try out, and we're going to be doing 3 different airport updates in one video. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will explain the airports that we're doing as we are going along the video. So if you guys do enjoy liking these airport updates, please smash that like button. The first airport update we'll be doing is of Grand Junction Regional Airport. I will be mentioning the other 2 as we do progress through the video, but I did pick a bit of smaller airports to do in this video, but they're still pretty exciting. So Grand Junction Regional Airport is 3 miles away from the city of Grand Junction, which is located in Mesa County, Colorado. It is the largest airport in western Colorado and the 3rd largest in all of Colorado, behind Denver Airport and Colorado Springs Airport. So let's dive straight into this airport update. Grand Junction recently got quite a bit of new airlines here at the airport, which is exciting to see. The current airlines that serve this airport is Allegiant Airlines, American Eagle, Avalo Airlines, Delta Connection, Frontier Airlines, and United Express. The first aircraft we have in this airport update is the FedEx Express Boeing 757-200. This is the only cargo airline to serve this airport, and it'll be heading out to Memphis, and it arrived in from Fresno. Just pulling into its hard stand gate, here we have the Delta Connection Bombardier CRJ 900, also known as the Mitsubishi 900. I like to call it CRJ 900. But this aircraft is pulling into the gate from a flight in from Salt Lake City. Currently, Delta Airlines does not serve an Atlanta route through Grand Junction Airport. Following that, we do have this United Express Embraer E175. This just pulled into the gate as it just arrived in from Denver and will be heading back out to Denver in about an hour's time. The next airline we have here, this is a brand new airline to Grand Junction, Colorado, and it is Frontier Airlines. This is the Frontier Airlines Airbus A320neo, loading on passengers as well as getting fueled up and catering done to the aircraft before it heads out to Denver. And as I did mention, this is a brand new airline to Grand Junction, and it is a summer seasonal route. Just taxiing past the terminal here as well as all the gates, we have the SkyWest CRJ 700. This is operating for United Airlines, and it just arrived in from Chicago and will be pulling into a gate and heading out to Denver. Just moving over to the other side of the terminal, we have the American Eagle Embraer E175. This is in the new livery, of course, and is offloading the passengers and crew, as well as offloading all the baggage as it just arrived in from Phoenix Sky Harbor. In about 30 minutes, it'll be heading out to Los Angeles. For the last aircraft in this particular Grand Junction video, we have the Avalo Airlines Boeing 737-800. Obviously, this is not in the Avalo Airlines livery, but a model company has not made this aircraft yet, so I'm using a blank aircraft for it. This is a brand new airline to Grand Junction, and they just started a few months ago. This will be heading out to Burbank, and it also arrived in from Burbank. Unfortunately, Avalo is ending this route August 16th. That does conclude this particular airport of the Grand Junction, Colorado Airport. And we'll move on to the next airport. And the next airport update we'll be doing is of Sioux Falls Regional Airport, which is also known as Joe Foss Field. Sioux Falls Regional Airport, also known as Joe Foss Field, is a public and military use airport 3 miles northwest of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It is named in honor of the aviator and Sioux Falls native Joe Foss, who later served as the 20th governor of South Dakota. There are a few airlines that serve this airport, which is One of them being Allegiant Airlines. They have a big presence here. We also have American Eagle, Delta Airlines, Delta Connection, Frontier Airlines, United Airlines, and United Express. Without further ado, let's get straight into this airport update. Starting here at Gate 1, we do have this Allegiant Airbus A319S with the split scimitar winglets, loading on passengers and crew, as well as the cleaning crew to clean the aircraft before departure, and it'll be heading out to Phoenix Mesa. Sioux Falls Airport has 7 gates. Moving on to gate number 3, we have the Allegiant Airbus A320 in the "Travel is our deal" slogan on the aircraft. This aircraft is in the old livery and is offloading the passengers as it just arrived in from Los Angeles, and is loading on passengers in about 20 minutes, as well as getting the catering ready for the next flight out to Nashville. Moving on to gate number 5, we have this American Eagle CRJ 200 or Mitsubishi 200, whatever you like to call it. This aircraft is in the new livery, of course, and is also retired, but unfortunately I do not have the CRJ 700 in the new livery, which they currently do operate at Sioux Falls. But this aircraft will be heading out to Charlotte and operating for a CRJ 700. At the very tip of the terminal, we do have Gate 7, which is housing the United Express Embraer E175. This aircraft is in the new livery and is loading on passengers and cleaning crew before it heads out to Denver, and it arrived in from Chicago O'Hare about 2 hours ago. At Gate 6 here, we have the United Express CRJ 200. This aircraft is in the new livery and is offloading the passengers from a flight in from Chicago O'Hare, and will be heading back out to Chicago O'Hare in about an hour and a half. At the lucky gate number 4, we have the Delta Connection CRJ 900. This is loading on the passengers and will be heading out to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and it arrived in from Atlanta about 30 minutes ago. Delta Airlines routes consist of Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Atlanta. They do not operate the Salt Lake City route as of now. For the last aircraft in this particular airport, we do have the Frontier Airbus A320neo. This is in the Colorado the Bighorn Sheep livery and is loading on the baggage and cargo and passengers before it heads out to Denver in about 30 minutes. Frontier Airlines is doing their best to expand here at Sioux Falls, but is competing against Allegiant Airlines. Frontier Airlines will be adding the Las Vegas route as well as the Orlando route very shortly. That does conclude this particular airport of Sioux Falls. Here is a quick overview of the airport before we move on to the next airport update. For the last airport we'll be featuring in this airport update, we do have Rapid City Regional Airport. Rapid City Regional Airport is a public use airport located 9 miles southeast of Rapid City in South Dakota, located in the United States. So this is a very unique airport. It is pretty similar to the previous airports we've been doing, where you have your United, Delta, American, Allegiant, and other low-cost carriers here at the airport, but we will dive straight into it. Starting us off here at gate number 1, we do have the American Eagle Bombardier CRJ 200. This aircraft just arrived in from Charlotte and will be heading out to New York LaGuardia. Moving on to our next aircraft, which is located at gate 5, we do have the Delta Connection Bombardier CRJ 900. This aircraft is operating for Delta Airlines, as I did mention. It arrived in from Salt Lake City about an hour ago and will be heading out to Detroit very shortly. As you can see, it has a jetway connected and is loading on the passengers and crew, as well as loading the baggage on for the flight, as well as fuel. Just like the last airport that we focused on, Allegiant Airlines does have quite a big presence here at the airport. They do have about 10, 11, 12 routes. So this just arrived in from Peoria and will be heading out to Las Vegas. It is loading on the passengers as well as getting catering done to the aircraft. Moving on to gate number 6, which is housing a United aircraft, we have the United Airbus A319 in the new livery, loading on the cleaning crew as well as the cargo for the flight out to Newark. Currently, United Airlines mainline has flights to Chicago O'Hare, Denver, and Newark, and United Express has flights to Chicago O'Hare, Denver, Houston, Newark, and San Francisco. Following that, we do have the United Express CRJ-200. This aircraft is in the new livery and is loading off the passengers and just getting the jetway connected as well as getting serviced, as it just arrived in from Chicago and it'll be heading out to Denver. At gate number 2 here we have the United Express Embraer E170. This aircraft is in the old livery and is offloading the passengers and offloading the crew as it just arrived in from San Francisco and will be heading back out there in about 20 minutes. That does conclude this video of these 3 airport updates that we did do in this video. We did Grand Junction, Colorado, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Rapid City, South Dakota. So I unintentionally did 2 airports in South Dakota, even though I've never been there. But that does conclude this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I also hope you guys like these types of videos because I'll probably try to do them in the future, because a lot of people like to see some regional airports once in a while. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like on it and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already so you can see more aviation content like this. So thank you so much for watching, and wherever you are from in the world, whether it's day or night, have a good rest of your day or night. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.